Hello, good afternoon. Yeah, so this is a document management system. It's an e-file system whereby documents are created in the system by users. Then, when they are after being created, they are submitted for approvers. So we have different approvers. The approvers can be the manager, it can be the CEO and the supervisor. Yeah. So after documents have been created, the immediate manager will receive it. Will get a notification either by email or by SMS that you have a document that have been submitted that needs your attention or that needs to be approved. Yeah. So they log in and approve, and the next administrator or approver will have to log in also to approve the document until the last person that is supposed to approve. Once he approves, then the document is fully approved. So let's log in and see how the process works. So this is the username and password. So for the first user, these are created. We have usernames and passwords. They are different. We have different users, so they can log in and do their respective roles. So the admin will log in and create the users, assign them roles, and they log in and do their work. So let's log in and see how the system works. So admin with username, then its password. So currently this is how the system looks like on the home page. So this is the dashboard showing how many users, how many employees, how many departments, and how many suppliers. So this is for this company, for them, they are dealing in the procurement workflow. Yeah, they have documents. They say check request funds, local purchase orders, cash request form, invoices, delivery notes, get passes, receipts. Yeah, all those documents. So they have to go through approvals for them to be processed until the last person, and yeah, they have to be approved to be used. Yeah, they have to be signed by all the approvers. Yeah, so an approver is registered in the system with their signatures. Let's say these are the so this is the dashboard showing you. This is a graph showing you the pending documents. These are the approved documents. These are the rejected documents. This is just completed documents. Then these are the documents and time analysis. How many hours have they spent without being approved? They have been created, but they haven't been approved. Yeah, they spend a lot of time when they are pending. So this is a graph also showing you, yeah, how many hours. Like this document 7 has spent 100 hours or something like that, or days. Now this is a priority table showing you it has been created. Like this one was created today, 23rd, or yesterday, 23rd. It has 0 days, so it is low. This one was created on June 26th, so it is high. It has spent a lot of days, 27 of them. So this is just a dashboard showing you the reports on how the documents are performing. Now, to start off, the users are created. Those are employees. Each employee is created differently. Username, gender, address, then their signature is uploaded. Yeah. So these are, to show you here, these are the current employees that are registered in the system. Each employee is either this approver, the admin, all of them, they have their signatures uploaded. So you don't need to sign here when you are approving. So for this, now we have the dashboard and we have the documents that have been created by the users, showing you those that are rejected. This is the status. Rejected, those that are still pending. Yeah, all that. So you can click here and view the local purchase. This is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, so we can create one. So there, so it shows you the pending approve. Since I'm not the one who is supposed to approve, so I have no pending document to approve. Then it also shows the approved status, those are documents that have been approved. Then check request in case you want to create a check. This is a user creating a check to be approved by another user. Yeah, let's let me act as a user and create one. So let's say this is payment to Group Limited. Yeah, this is payment to that. So we are creating a check request. Then this is a check. A check has to be referenced to a NLPO, local purchase order. Then check number is automatically generated. Then top manager, to which department. All these can be changed depending on which document you are supposed to create. So I'm showing you this so that in case you want to create any document, we can create, then send it to the approvers. They approve, they sign on it, then it is taken to whoever is responsible. It is printed out. You can even attach. Actually, you create the document, then attach other documents that are supporting it. Let's say you have you are creating a check order, but you have some other documents that are you scan them, then upload them in the system. So let's say we have this. Let's say we have a document that was signed, then we scan it and upload its image. Let's say this is our image. Now let me look for a good picture. So let's say this is our document that was signed, it was scanned, and let's say upload it. After uploading it, then we have when the date, choose the date, the currency the check is being billed in. Is it in USA? Is it in USD? Is it in UL? Is it in UGX? Yeah. So here you put the details of the check. What are you billing it for? Yeah. So you have items that you want to buy using that check. So you have to list them, show the figures to the approver that okay, you want to purchase this. Okay, let me go through. So these are so you have item 1 up to whatever item. These are just names, you can list them. So these are for financial department, whereby you have to list the income, 60% of the income. You can put it at 0. Then even the VAT, yeah. So you can see the net payment, and the amount is auto generated in words. So this is the check request being created. Now once you submit, the first user receives an email showing him that he have received the document to be approved to approve. So this is the check that we have created. Now let's look at how it looks like. Yeah, so we have created it today on 25th, I think. No. Yeah, so something like that. Those are the documents. Let's say this is a document. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Now the document is created. You can edit, you can view, you can delete from it. Yeah, it shows you even the ones that you have deleted. Yeah, you can restore them, all that. So once the document has been created, then let's log in as the first manager to approve. Yeah, let's log out. Once I log out, I should be able to log in and find there the document pending. So this is the first manager being logged in. So once it goes to manager approvals, he should be able to find it there. This is the document we created. So he's here. Is a signature that we assigned him. It comes here, you just submit. He submits the signature and the comment on it. Okay, verified and recommended. Or you can change it to it's okay, we can proceed. So once he submits this, remember he has just submitted, now he has to approve. You see, the document is still pending in the system, so you can reject it or you can approve it. So it's being approved. Now it has been approved and moved to the next approver. So if the approvers are 10, it has to go to the next approver until the final approver. You get? So it is still pending unless the final approver approves it. Yeah. So that's how it is. These are the document lists. I don't think. See, so this is still the one. Is the one? It's not. Yeah, so we can log in as a next approver and we see. Let's log out and log in as a next approver. This is the next approver. Once he logs in, this is where he's supposed to go to manage approvers. So for him, he still has a lot that are pending. You can see 5 of them are still pending. So he has to submit, then approve all his documents that are still pending. You can see there are 5, showing the 5 of them. There are remaining 4 now. So submit the signature. And approve. Submit the signature. And some approve. So as he's logged in, you can even look at the document and how it's what are the details that are in. We can see the document. Can see even if one administrator has approved and his signature is here, then it means it's still pending. So you can see its status. Document status is pending. You can see here. So this is a signature. See, as this signature, it can be manually entered. You can attach a device for signing, so that they just sign using the device and upload and submit. But here we don't need to waste time. You get? So signatures are uploaded once when the employees are being created. So you just come here, submit your signature and do your comment, then approve or reject the document. Yeah. So this is our final document that we created. So here the process is first come first serve. So you have to first approve all the pending ones before you approve the current one. So this is today's document, 24th. You can look at it. Yeah. So the past approver that approved it is here. You can see. So he's the one who is still pending. You understand? And the document is still pending. So this is the document that, and you see, this is what we attached. Yeah. So this is a process. So you can submit his signature and comment. Submitting his signature and comment doesn't mean he has approved. So you can see, you can see here, you can see his comment approved and his signature, but he's still pending approval. So he has to approve it. So he clicks here and approves. You understand? So the next person in line will have to approve too. So the process continues until the documents are all approved. So this is how it works. That's how the system works. You can see. So in reference to what we had discussed, in case you have any other document, it can go through. They can be stored. You see, first of all, documents are created, they are submitted for approval, they are approved by different administrators, so they can be approved or rejected. They are stored. The next time someone logs in, he can easily look at what was created, so they can be backed up. So they can be shared. This is an online system. So in reference to what we have discussed, or the other document, this is exactly what they need. So that's it. Thank you.